top tier wash and go hairstyle.
So she has never done a wash and go. This is her first time, so this video is basically to inspire, give you the confidence, because this is first see. We're going to see her beautiful coils, or rather curls, depending on how you call it. It's her first time. She's going to do it herself using our products. Let's see.
So you can tell she has split ends. They need to be get rid of, which helps hair look more voluminous, healthy, and also boosts hair growth. Typically, this is my best shampoo and conditioner, but we are going to start from hair styling. On clean, damp hair, she's applied multi-purpose leave-in conditioner. A bit of it, like a peanut, for her hair, so that it's easy to manage, easy to style.
How do you feel about her hair? More soft. Yeah.
Like you can see, the comb can easily glide through. So soft, manageable, ready to style. So in small sections, she's going to use a styling gum and start raking like this so that her natural curls can form so much ease. So in the course, we found out she has low porosity hair. Low porosity hair usually makes it difficult to get product in, to get water in, to get anything that you want to get inside your hair. It needs work, it needs patience. Next portion, when you feel your hair is getting dry, you can just add spritz some bit of water, add more products, and get it in there. Start raking. So you may invest in a diffuser to get your hair dry faster, properly, which is very important. So this is what we look like on the first day. Yeah, she was so excited to see her hair look like this, and I think it's cheaper to buy products and do this yourself than visiting a salon, because this takes about a week to 1 month, depending on how you've done it, the products you've used. Be sure to check out Africa for hair products on our website. Clean hair products to help your hair be more manageable, healthier, and be able to experiment with different natural hairstyles. Link in the description box. See you in our next video. Bye.